So welcome to Dataport Analytics. Today I will show you how to import data into Stata. Show you how to import both Excel and CSV file into Stata. So you come here into file, you click import. So to import Excel, you click Excel spreadsheet. Then this window will pop up. You click browse. Then you'll be taken to your system or to your computer where the data has been stored. You click on that particular data and then you click open. So when you click open, this data will be fed into that particular window, and then you can import the first row as variable name. Click that one. Then that one makes your first row to be variable names. Then you click OK. And in that case, that one your data has already been imported. You can see into the variable section. You have all the variables. You have name, ID, all the way to down. To be able to see your data in Stata, you click this icon, data editor browse. Click on that one, and then you can see your data has already been imported into Stata. So that is how you import your Excel file into Stata. So I want to clear. You write the command clear so that you can clear all the data into the system or into the Stata system. Then you can import another file. So in this case I want us to import the CSV file. So you click file, you go to import, you go to text data or the CSV data. So when you click that one, you will be presented by a window. Let's wait for the window to appear. So this window has appeared. When this window appears, you click browse, and then you will be taken to where your CSV data is saved into a computer, or you can just search where the CSV file data is stored. Then you click on it, then you click open. When you click open, that data will be fed into your into this window, into this particular data import window, and then you can just leave everything as it is. Then you can click OK. When you click OK, your data is automatically imported into Stata. To be able to show your data, you click here, you can click data editor browse, you click that icon, and then you can be able to see your data has already been imported into Stata. So that is how you import your data into Stata, either an Excel file or a CSV file. So the next video I'm going to show you how to import or how to copy and paste the data from Excel file into your Stata file. Thank you.